wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star, the magic is here. It's here for you and me.
Oh, take a magical carpet ride, travel to Neverland. Just believe that you can.
Si Ayela, isa siyang mabait na bata. Kumbaga, isa siyang artistic na bata. And then, although may pagka-kulit, pero nakikinig naman siya lagi sa mga kung ano yung bilin ko para sa kanya. Ayela, sana lumaki kang unang-una may takot sa Diyos, lumaki kang maging magalang sa lahat ng ng tao, mapagmahal sa magulang, and happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng papa. Love you!
Ayela is such a big blessings to our life. Magmula nang dumating siya sa buhay namin, bali naging maraming swerte ang dumating, and naging masaya yung family namin. Ayela, we love you so much. Sana maging mabuti kang bata hanggang sa paglaki mo. And nandito lang kami for sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay. We are here to support you. We love you, anak. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ayela!